Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar Rex Orange County. We covered a lot of songs from them. This time, worth it. So, this one is really worth it. So, great song from Rock coming out there. And we will go through the chords like we usually do first. No need for any capo and 7 chords. That is what we need. So, let's start with E minor 7. Very easy. So that is open E, second A, then open D, open G, open B, and open E. So everything is open except from the second A. Next chord will be D. So that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. Then we have D minor. So that is open D, second G, third B, and first E. G7, that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, open B, and first E. Then C major 7. So third on A, second on D, open G, open B, and open E. Then A minor 7. That is open A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. And finally we have B minor. So you need a bar there on the second fret from A string and down, 5 strings. And the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. So, there you have it. We will go through the different parts, and it's actually just 2 different parts, you can say. 1 verse and 1 chorus play. Okay, so it starts with an intro, and that is actually how you play the verse as well. So we're gonna go through the intro / verse now to begin with. Okay, so it goes with downs only to begin with. Okay, so it will be 8 downs on E minor 7. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 8 downs on D. 5, 6, 7, 8. You play that again. 8 downs on E minor 7. And 8 downs on D. Then comes 4 downs on D minor, then 4 on G7, then 4 on C major 7, and 4 on A minor 7. Okay, so far we played E minor 7, 8 downs, D 8 downs, and again E minor 7, 8 downs, D 8 downs, then D minor 4 downs, G7 4, C major 7, 4, and A minor 7, 4. Continues with E minor 7, 8 downs, and D 8 downs. And after that starts a strumming, and it's with the chords D, B minor, D, B minor. So 2 times D, B minor. The strumming will be down, down, up, up for every chord. So 1 round of that for D and 1 for B minor, 1 round of D and 1 round of B minor. So again, that is 1 round. So down, down, up, up. And then you shift chord and play the same to B minor. Down, down, up, and then D again, down, up, and finally B minor, down, up. And that is the intro / the verse play. So let's repeat everything again. A little bit fast, it will be E minor 7, 8 downs, and then D, 8 downs, then E minor 8 downs, and again D 8 downs. Then D minor 4 downs, and G7 4 downs, C major 7 4 downs, and A minor 7 4 downs. Then we'll go back to this E minor 7 8 downs, D 8 downs, and then we have the D and B minor for 2 rounds of the strumming. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And yeah, that is the intro and the verse play. Now, the final part will be the chorus. So you will play the intro first, and then comes the chorus right after the intro. Okay, so that will be with chord progression D to B minor. You will play that back and forth for 4 rounds. So D, B minor is 1 round. You play that for 4 rounds. And here we need to look at the new strumming pattern. It's very similar to the other one we just looked at. Okay. So one strumming for the chorus will sound like this with D, since that is the first chord. That is 1 round. So that will be down, clap, up, down, up, clap, up. Down, clap, up, down, up, clap, up. So on. So you're gonna play 1 strum round for D and 1 for B minor, and that short part you will play for 4 rounds, and that will be the chorus. So let's go for a couple of rounds of the new strumming pattern. And so on. And that is pretty much the parts you need for the song. So that will be 1 intro play, and then you're gonna play 1 chorus play, and then comes the verse, which is played in the same way as the intro, and 1 chorus play. And it ends after the second chorus with an outro play. It's played in the same way as you play the chorus. So it just continues with another 4 rounds of D, B minor with the strumming, and that is Rex Orange County's Worth It. So cool song from Rock here, pretty neat to know, and yeah, good luck with this one. Play tuned.